Getting aboard is super easy. Have a nice big sliding glass door to enter the cockpit, but for right now we're just going to step over the rail here and go up the stairs. No ladders. The bridge. We do have that track vision back there, but I'm going to guess it's probably not current and digital and may not work with current systems, but I guess it's worth investigating anyway. The radar arch is hinged, and very, very simple to just undo these wing nuts and get her lowered down. See, the upholstery is in reasonable condition. I mean, if you want it perfect, yeah, you might have to redo it.